Good afternoon and welcome to Cooking with Angel. This week we're making polenta with veggies. Start off by going ahead and slicing our mushrooms into thin slices so we can go ahead and start pan searing them. As we're slicing these mushrooms, I'm having a pan heating up so I can go ahead and place this in the pan. Now we're cooking these mushrooms until they're slightly soft. Then we're going to go ahead and add in our green peas. Okay, now that we've got the green peas, we're going to let that cook for a minute, and then we're going to go ahead and deglaze the entire pan with a little bit of white wine. Now we're going to go ahead and season with a little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt, and it's ready to put aside. I have 2 cups in a pan that I've let reach boil, and once the water reaches boil, I'm going to go ahead and add in the polenta. It's about a cup for those 2 cups of water that we have boiling. Alright, we've cooked the polenta until it's a little thicker, and now we're going to go ahead and add in some shredded Parmesan cheese. It's about a cup and a half of Parmesan cheese, and we're going to go ahead and mix that together, and that's the end of the recipe. It's a nice easy recipe. We're going to go ahead and serve it in a bowl and then with the veggies on top.